Have you ever come across the most amazing find in a shoe store, only to realize they don't actually come in your size? Well, if you're like me, you'll convince yourself that you can squeeze and get the smaller pair anyway. Of course, 30 minutes later, your feet are already hurting and you just can't seem to enjoy the beautiful day you're supposed to be having. Now, we know from experience the fit can make all the difference. But did you know that this problem can also be applied to airway implants that combat complex diseases like nasopharyngeal stenosis? Nasopharyngeal stenosis is a disease that causes airway obstruction. The fibrous tissue in the nasopharynx proliferates into a webbing that's known as a stricture. That stricture blocks airflow and impacts quality of life. To treat this disease in dogs, metallic stents are medical devices that are used to hold the airway open, like a brace, while it heals. Unfortunately, 63% of stent patients end up experiencing major complications from this procedure. Complications like breakage, infection, and oronasal fistulas are amplified by the metal material that's currently used, combined with the lack of proper stent sizing, resulting in a poor fit in the airway. For patients, this experience can be quite painful, just like your poor, cramped feet in those tiny, uncomfortable shoes. In an ideal world, our medical devices would be catered to the anatomy of every patient, fit seamlessly, and be acquired in a moment's notice. So, what if I told you that this could be the new standard of care in veterinary medicine? Here at the University of Guelph, we've developed a range of silicone nasopharyngeal stents using 3D printing to provide that flawless fit. These stents have been optimized through experimental studies to resist collapse while still allowing for dynamic movement within the airway. From CT scans, we are capable of segmenting and reconstructing the diseased airway to create a fully customized stent that's as closely aligned to the actual airway as possible. We've also designed semi-customized stents, representing the ideal nasopharynx shape that can simply be resized to fit any canine airway. The third option is a cylindrical stent that's the most efficient to manufacture. We believe these stents will improve the lives of dogs experiencing nasopharyngeal stenosis. And at the end of the day, we aim to introduce 3D printed, patient-specific implants as a new intervention, bringing these state-of-the-art medical devices to the forefront of veterinary clinical practices. Thank you.